Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make a student email ID. First, we will explore why a student email is so valuable, offering access to exclusive discounts and academic resources. Then, we will cover the essential information you will need to gather before starting the application process. Finally, I will walk you through the straightforward steps to create and activate your very own student email account, ensuring you are ready to connect with your academic community. Before you begin, it is crucial to have all your necessary information organized. You will typically need your unique student identification number, which is usually an 8 or 9-digit code. Also, keep your enrollment confirmation or acceptance letter handy, as it often contains key details. A personal email address is also essential for initial verification and password recovery, so make sure it is accessible. Now, let's dive into creating your account. Start by visiting your institution's official IT services or student portal, usually found on their main website. Search for a link related to student email or account activation. You will then be guided through a series of prompts to enter your student ID and other personal information. Remember to select a robust password, combining uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum security. Once you have completed the registration, check your personal email for an activation link from your institution. Clicking this link is a vital step to finalize your student email setup. After activation, you can log into your new account and begin exploring its many advantages. You will gain access to free or discounted software, generous cloud storage, and important campus communications, enhancing your academic journey significantly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.